All right, y'all. We are live on this beautiful Wednesday morning. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. I do hope everybody is very blessed as Bitcoin is pumping like a wild woman in distress, running through the wilderness with a laundry basket on her head, looking like Janet Yellen. Oh my goodness, look at that. She's got a toned abdominal section because she purchased the 6-second abs as seen on TV to get the spot reduction of the abs only. Didn't buy the 6-second triple chin. But are we printing some bearish divergences as the price is getting higher and her lips are getting lower? We're going to talk about it today. Huge shout out to everybody in the chat. As you can see, well, Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a pump, coming to a little bit of local resistance right here. Shout out to everybody in the chat. First of all, a major shout out to Always Leveraged. What's up, bro? Second stream of the day. What's going on, R. Schwartz ATX? What's going on, Woo? What's going on, Follow Baba? Good morning, let's go. What's this exchange? This exchange, Woo, is called ByBit. If you sign up to ByBit, if you deposit $100 and trade $500 worth of volume, you can actually get $500, I think. Yeah. Deposit $100 and trade $500. And you can get an extra $100. Link in the description. Current promotion over on ByBit. Shout out to Carl from the Moon. Shout out to Crypto. That's right, guys. Your boy Jason Casper is back. Shilling ByBit, baby. Because we got ourselves a Paolu Lao ID. All right, yeah, this is ByBit. I like being back on ByBit. Shout out to the bird next door. Shout out to Hamza Quasi. Ocean's gonna pump, he says. 30%. Wow. That would be pretty intense. Shout out to David. Shout out to T-Bait. Says, good morning, let's pump. Shout out to English City. Shout out to Steak Sauce. Yo. What's up, JC? What is going on? Shout out to Juice, who says, good morning, Casper Crew, baby. Chicken drinking water pattern. Yeah, maybe we will get that. We did get that a little bit this morning. I think Moneyflow says we still have a little bit more upside. Shout out to Gen X Crypto. Thank you, Jason, for going live early. Well, thank you. Shout out to J Money, who shouts out Paolu ID. Shout out to Mark Jackson Music, who says send in my dude. Shout out to Venom Hex. There I am, Sunday watching God Logic. Yeah, man, yeah, I really dig that guy. He's friends with one of my, well, not really friends, but I know him through a good friend of mine. I know of him through a good friend of mine. I really like his content. Shout out to Liberty and Trust. He says, yeehaw, baby. Shout out to Atomas Nucleus. Yo, Jason the man. Shout out to Lord Cess 440. Hit the like button if we're making an all-time high. Guys, if you think we're going to hit an all-time high, smash up the like button. Also, guys, if we can get 1,000 likes during the first half hour of the stream, we will absolutely be giving away 1,000 USDT. Big Jim's Wiener Dogs. Love from Canada. Marcus, what is going on? Tony English, my man. Shout out to ITM. Good morning to you, my very handsome brother. Shout out to FitGenius618. Shout out to Stephen Parker. Do you have your chickens in Paolu? I do. They exist in Web3 Metaverse over on Paolu. All right, guys. This is the long trade that we gave in the Casper Crew on Monday. All right, I'm going to long this again. I'm long. All right, so that was I told everyone I am going long here. I tried to long. I ended up, the price came lower than I wanted it to. But eventually, we ended up with a beautiful long opportunity right from the 786. This is the trade that I was in last live stream. These are my take profits, and TP3 was hit already, guys. So we're coming up to a major area of resistance right now. And the Bitcoin price is going to show us what she wants to do as we continue to watch this price action unfold. So a huge shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord. A major shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord because we have been taking these juicy trades. All right. For example, this juicy long trade from $60,500 setup given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP live stream back in May. This juicy long trade from 66K setup also given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP live stream back in May. And of course, the long trade that you currently saw over on ByBit is the long trade that we gave on Monday. By the way, guys, huge shout out to MEXC, best deal on fees. Major shout out to ZOOMEX. Also, if you sign up on ZOOMEX, they do have a promotion where you can get a whole bunch of cool stuff if you use the link in the description. If you do not want to KYC, if you cannot KYC, I am trading on ZOOMEX. Link in the description. You can get all these rewards. I'm also trading on BLOFIN. Link in the description. If you don't want to KYC, if you're looking for a non-KYC exchange, BLOFIN right now is having this special promotion exclusively for Jason Casper, because BLOFIN is trying to be the next big exchange. All these exchanges going KYC. They see an opportunity as a business to step in, fill the gap. All right, so they're offering some really nice bonuses. Plus, I'm pretty sure if you sign up using my affiliate link, they will automatically give you VIP level 1 fee discount. All right, a lot of cool stuff. BLOFIN, link in the description for all these exchanges. Now, here's the thing, guys. If you don't know how to trade, do not sign up for any exchanges, and do not put any of your money into leverage trading if you do not know what you're doing, because you will very much so lose your money, okay? This is literally only for people who already know how to trade and are looking for an exchange that does not require KYC, because a lot of these exchanges are, right? ByBit does. And so I had to KYC for ByBit, all right? So let that be said. Also, a major shout out to the Casper Crew. If you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give the juicy trade setups, multiple live streams every single day, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com and click the link to join the VIP community, the best trading community in the world. All right, guys. Well, let's talk about this Bitcoin, because we are coming up. See, as you can see here, this juicy trade is up right now, about 700% in profit. Not really, though. This is a leverage trade. But my next take profit is going to be at that high. And the big question that we've had on our chart now, going all the way back now to the beginning of May, is, well, are we going to hit that all-time high? I think, guys, I have to say that I do remain bullish on Bitcoin. I remain bullish on Bitcoin. If you are bullish on Bitcoin, what I need you to do right now is type bullish into the chat. Say, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I'm so dang bullish. I got a Pikachu hat on the head. I've got myself a plunger on the face. I'm on a treadmill, sweating while I'm doing a YouTube live stream, because we are bullish on Bitcoin, baby. Type it in the chat. Let me know. Let me know if you're bullish on Bitcoin. All right. So, what is actually happening here is quite important, because let's take a look at this right here. Hang on. Hang on. Bear with me 1 second. I got to get the right chart on here. I got to get the right chart. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. All right. We'll start on our daily time frame. All right, y'all. The Bitcoin price, as you can see, has done something quite phenomenal. We have come to the value area high of this macro range. Now, this is honestly the second time that we've done so. This is very important, because ever since we came down here, lost this low, and reclaimed the level with a hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame, I have been bullish on this channel, all right? Since that day, Friday, May 3rd, I've been bullish on the channel, saying it's more probable than not now that we make our way back to first 67K, and if we can reclaim that, the top of the range. And that's exactly what has happened from this point onward, which is why I have been taking and holding the 3 long trades that I have already shown you. The long trade from here, long trade from here, and now, of course, the long trade from here, because whenever we see an opportunity, understanding that the bullish bias is still in effect on the higher term time frames, we want to get into those juicy long trades, right? And we saw the very coveted mirror mode butt cheek pattern on market Cipher B, where we had a skinny right butt cheek and a juicy left butt cheek. In fact, let's just go ahead and post this onto the chart here so you guys can see what I'm saying here, all right? The anatomy is quite remarkable as the price is making a higher low in this clearly uptrend, right? This is a very clear uptrend here, right? Look at this. This uptrend has been in effect since September. We are seeing the momentum waves on market Cipher B get lower as the price is getting higher. It's a hidden bullish divergence, and we have made our way back to the top of the range, not once, but now twice. But the first time we did it, we came down and found support on the POC of the range. Very, very important. Why is this important? Because if we were going to see higher levels, we knew that 67K was going to have to hold. We knew it would have to hold. Why? Because it was resistance once, resistance twice. And if this is going to be a real breakout, we want to get the retest after the breakout, right? Which is why we are long from that level, because we knew that this was going to be a very important retest, which is why we gave the trade setup in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Because if we are going to continue up, we are going to find our support at that very important support resistance flip, the $67,000 area, right? So that's exactly what has happened. So this is looking kind of bullish to me. Now, let's take a look back at our good friend, Market Cipher B, to determine, well, what's likely to happen right now. When we look at all the time frames, starting with the weekly has confirmed a few weeks ago a green dot. Now, thus far, oh my goodness, Bitcoin is getting a move up right now as we speak, baby. Oh my goodness, we are tapping into that 786 Fibonacci. This is a major area, guys. Bitcoin must hold this area. And then we do need to be aware of a simple liquidity grab from this high. All right, we do need to be aware of a simple liquidity grab from that high. In fact, let's go quickly to our low time frames here, because we do want to watch what's happening in the moment as Bitcoin is getting this crazy pumperoni and queso. We want to take a little line right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely insane. Would you look at this, guys? Would you look at this? Getting a pump. All right. This is key, man. The 1 minute looks bullish. Let's check out the order flow. Interesting stuff. So we do have actually some bearish CVD-ish forming around here, to be honest with you. We have a lot of longs opening up, but some of those longs were actually shorts getting wrecked. So, you know what? We got shorts getting wrecked, baby. We got shorts getting wrecked, and we got longs opening up. Let's pump this Bitcoin price straight to 100K, baby. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo. Let's go. Yo. Can we go? Get with the flow. This is going to be key. As we come to this area, guys, this is really going to be key. This is going to be key. I'll tell you why it's going to be key. Because either we get a liquidity grab like this and we come back down, or we actually hold, and I would say we're probably going to hit that high. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on. Oh! Uh-oh. Not looking good thus far, honestly. Not looking too good thus far. Not looking too good thus far. All right, so that's a CDW, guys. That is a little bit of a CDW for right now. All right, that's a little bit of a CDW for right now. But let's see what happens here. Yeah. We got that liquidity grab like in the moment, man. We got that thing in the moment. You see that? We just took the high, got a little bit of a dipperoni. Let's see if we liquidated any people up on that. Yeah, we had a few short liquidations there, and let's see. Yeah, we have a bunch of longs opening up here too. So if we continue down, then we're even going to trap some longs here. But overall, like even this is just a little local range right here. It's a little local range right here. Okay, little local range right here. But I'd still say the higher term time frames for me still say it's more likely that we see higher on Bitcoin. The higher term time frames are still showing me that it's more likely we see higher on Bitcoin. So let me explain. The weekly is bullish, right? We saw the weekly being very bullish. The 4-day time frame, when we take a look at the 4-day time frame, this still has more room to the upside. When we take a look at the 12-hour time frame, it still has more room to the upside, and money flow is also getting thicker. When we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, we formed some pretty nice bullish divergences down at these lows. Pretty nice bullish divergences down at these lows, right? And from that point, we have not formed any bearish divergences yet. And because we're this high, right? We are this high on the chart here. I'd say it's just more likely that we shoot for this. I think it's just more likely that we shoot for this, at least. And maybe even this guy, or maybe even this guy. In fact, I'd say let's put in a new all-time high based on all time frames considered. Let's go ahead and put in that new all-time high. All right. All right. I think we can do it. Come on, Bitcoin. She's going for it. She's going for it, baby. Let's once again look at our lower term time frames to see how they're looking here. Money flow looks bullish on our 6-minute time frame. Let's check out our 1-minute time frame. Man, even the money flow looks kind of bullish on our 1-minute time frame, guys. I'm expecting more upside. How's our 12-minute? Man, 12-minute is, I don't know. I'll be honest with you. I don't like the 12-minute for more upside. And the 1 hour's dancing on the line, guys. This is a very key area for today. It's a Wednesday. Usually on Wednesdays, we will put in that weekly high. All right? Usually on the Wednesdays, we will put in that weekly high. So let's see. Yeah, I'm going to wait this one out. I'm not even going to take profit here. I've hit 3 take profits on this long trade. All right? Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. We got about 900 people in here. We got about 10 minutes until we get our 1,000 likes. We don't even have 1,000 likes in the house, but maybe we can, all right? Maybe we can. Bounced off the fib so clean. Actually, do you know where we actually did bounce off from right now? Guys, we bounced from, I'm on ByBit now so I can do this. Is this so cool? ByBit, the best levels in the world. We bounced from this, right? We hit that daily level to the dollar. Let's make it orange. Daily levels always must be orange. This is rule number 1 of being a profitable trader. Daily levels must be orange. So look at this, guys. Look at this, all right? Only on ByBit, all right? Look, I'm not just shilling ByBit because I'm trying to get links or whatever. Because honestly, ByBit gives me the worst deal out of all the exchanges. Only on ByBit will you have this happen, all right? There is no other exchange besides ByBit where you have a level that literally gets hit to the exact dollar. This only happens on ByBit, guys. It doesn't happen on any other exchange. This only happens on ByBit. This is why I like ByBit. This is why I missed ByBit. All right, and MEXC came along. MEXC was my rebound relationship after I dated ByBit. MEXC came along. Jason, don't forget about her. Forget about that ByBit chick. You know, she had high fees anyway. MEXC came along with her low fees and all this, right? But only on ByBit will you have these levels respected to the dollar, man. To the dollar. It's crazy. This is why I chart on ByBit. People ask me, Jason, why do you chart on ByBit if you trade on MEXC? This is why. Because if the ByBit level hits it, then I know it's legit, baby. Because it will hit to the dang dollar. Pretty crazy, right? Pretty crazy. Pretty dang crazy. Okay, so we're at that daily level. Can we reclaim? If we can, we're pumping straight to New York City. And look, I have to be honest with you. We're dancing on the line here. We have some bull div on the 24-minute, ever so slight here. That could get us that break, but we need to break soon. Because if not, well, this could turn bad pretty quick. We got money flow and momentum coming down after a CDW from the top of the range. All right. CD dub from the top of the range, feeling a little bit strange. CDW from the top of the range, feeling just a little bit strange. Feeling just a little bit strange. All right. The pump song. We almost got 1,000 people. If we can't do the pump song unless we get 1,000 people. Shout out to Crypto Coons. Shout out to J Edits. 30-minute, 1 hour look like Pump City, baby. Let's hope so. Man, I hope we just pump straight through. Honestly, that's what I hope. I'm hoping to pump straight through here. All right. Wow. I think we could, guys. We had 4.5 million shorts open up here. 4.5 million shorts shorting the top. So that could be good, actually. 4.5 million shorts shorting the top could be good. All right. You usually want to see longs longing the top, not shorts shorting the top. That's crazy. 4.5 million shorts shorting the top. Let's squeeze them, baby. All right. Let's squeeze the shorts. And do you know what we need to do right now? we do need to sing the pump song, all right? We need to sing the pump song. I'm sorry, but we have to. All right, shout out to the Casper crew, right? This long trade given on Monday in the Casper crew VIP Discord. All right, I'm going to long this again. I'm long. Right there, guys. Trade setup given in advance. All right, we got to get this. We got to get this pump song going, man. We got to get this pump song going. Let's see here. Where's the pump song? If the white box. Because I do think we can pump through. I do think we can pump through this level if we had the pump song. All right, if we had the pump song. All right, here we go. All right, this is the pump song, guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price straight to 100K, baby. All right. Here we go. All right. Here we go, baby. Here we go. We're pumping. This is what I'm talking about, all right? Here we go. Let's do it. Let's pump. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Yo. We gonna dump? No, we're gonna pump, baby. Let's do it. Let's do it. We gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. We gonna dump. We gonna dump. We gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Let's pump! We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. All right, y'all. This is it. This is the reason that we came here today, to pump Bitcoin to a new all-time high. Shout out to everyone who doubted me. Six Juanita, the girl who rejected me in high school. Huge shout out to Carl from the Moon and MM Crypto over on ByBit. We are now back on ByBit, baby, pumping the Bitcoin price. Shout out to everybody in the chat. God bless you all as we're pumping. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Let's do it. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. We're pumping Bitcoin, baby! Yeah! We're pumping Bitcoin! We're pumping Bitcoin! Yeah! We're pumping Bitcoin! Yeah, we're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Yeah, we're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump right now! Yeah, that's right, baby! See, the pump song works. Alright, let's check this out. Look, as long as we hold above this level, that's bullish, man. That's a bullish man. The man is bullish. All right, so look, if we hold above this level, the next thing we need to be aware of is 72,800. And then my TP, baby, at $74,000. TP at $74,000, baby. TP at $74,000, baby. All right, let's get some different music back on, guys. All right, let's get some different music back on here, all right? Here we go. I kind of like this song. You guys like this song? Let's see if Bitcoin's going to lose our level. Man, look at that, guys. Shorts, shorting the top, immediately underwater. Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. This 12-minute could be bad if we lose this level, but if we hold the level, the 12-minute looks like she could give us another big push to the upside. All right? All right, shout out to my man, callsign Arix. In meme coin spot trading, have been thinking about swapping for Bitcoin. Better to have 0.8 Bitcoin or 50K in shite coins. I don't know, man. I mean, shite coins are always going to give you better returns than Bitcoin, you know? But, I like to hold the Bitcoin, man. I like to stack the Bitcoin. But I only ever sell my meme coins for Tether. I only ever sell my meme coins for Tether. All right, shout out to Bernie's friend, Philip. Bro, leave the women alone, man. You've had 6 girlfriends in 2 weeks. Chill, bro. All right, chill, man. Chill. All right, chill. It's not good to have that many women in. It's honestly not that good to have that many women, period, bro. But in 2 weeks, well, sheesh. Golly, gosh. Gosh, golly. Talk about folly. Gosh, golly, talk about folly. Here we go, baby. Smash the like button. We need chip chocolate, y'all. Yeah, chip chocolate, bro. Where you at? Shout out to Splashfire Films. Is the 100x a long scalp? Yeah, look, I put the leverage up to 100x cross on the other live stream, all right, guys? This is sensationalism. 100x cross leverage. But look, there's no risk of liquidation. I'm just being silly. All right, but guys, this trade, I literally gave this live during the New York Open live stream on Monday. All right, I'm going to long this again. I'm long. So this is the same exact trade, y'all. Same exact trade. All right, the same exact trade. Same exact trade. All right, I held it. Stop loss below the low. Same trade from Monday, guys. Stop loss below the low. This is why we take profit one and keep that stop loss in profit, right? Even if I had gotten stopped out of this trade, I still would have made money on it, right? This is the way you got to do it, baby. Shout out to the Casper crew. VIP Discord, baby, because we are crushing it. All right, trades have been few and far in between lately. Few and far in between, but right now we are holding the juicy trades from the key levels, from the trade setups, given in advance in the Discord, baby. All right, that's how we roll. That's how we roll. How do you get over your girlfriend? Ah, man, I don't know. Like, look, I've literally only had one official girlfriend that I broke up with that hurt me. The other ones, I guess I hurt them. I didn't have to get over it. But other than that, I can't really help you, man. Because I was in high school. What do I know? It was 6 Juanita, as you guys know. Right? I don't know. You gotta go to the gym. You gotta trade. I don't know. Am I shorting 72K CDW? Maybe, man. Maybe. Let's take a look at where we're at, okay? Let's go to our higher term time frames here. Let's remove all this stuff, all right? Remove our drawings. Let's remove this. Let's clean up the chart. All right, let's clean up the chart. We've got ourselves some nice levels here. We're going to mark these levels as key. These are the areas where we could find rejections. All right, these are the levels where we could find rejections. Wait a second. How do I get rid of that stupid... Here we go. There you go. These are the levels that we need to be aware of. Aware of. All right. $72,000. That's a good place to tee some P, honestly. I'll tee a little P at 72K. We'll do 72,050, 055. We'll shave out a little bit here. Just do a little shave. You know, we'll take out 500 bucks. Shout out to Crypto Jeb. Is this the real Crypto Jeb or the fake? Shout out to Crypto Jeb. Don't know if he's real or fake, but hey, it's all good. If you're real, if you're fake, I still love you, bro. Shout out to Duncan. Shout out to my man Tom Crown. He says LFGGGGGG, baby. Shout out to Tom Crown. Everybody make sure to go subscribe to Tom Crown, all right? Drink a cup of tea of that P. Exactly. We got Crypto Jeb and Tom Crown in the house, baby. All right. We don't know if Crypto Jeb is real or fake. I don't know. But Tom Crown, I know. All right. He's got a moderator thing. He's real. He's real. Crypto Jeb is real in the house, baby. What is going on, Crypto Jeb? All right. Jeb is for real. He's for real. What up, Crypto Jeb? Good to see you here, man. All right. Shout out to Michael Norris. Shout out to Godzilla with the face blue smiling, face blue smiling, face blue smiling, face blue smiling. As Bitcoin is pumping, baby. We are we're feeling it. We're feeling it today. All right. We're feeling it today. We're feeling it. The pump. Guys, this is pretty crazy. But look at this. This is nice. It's a very healthy move to the upside so far. Because, yeah, we've liquidated a lot of shorts, but we got a lot of shorts opening. Still open. We literally have shorts in the red here. Shorts in the red, opening up new positions. 4.5 million shorts. 1.6 million shorts opening here in the red. People are shorting this. And people are longing this too. So it's a real, we got a lot of nice volume coming in here. We got some nice volume coming in, baby. We're going to hit 72K. I mean, look, we're holding above this level. This was really the level of decision. This is the level of decision. Level of decision. We're going to call it the LOD. The level of decision. And then this is the next level decision. The NALOD. NALOD. We got to put a little apostrophe in here. NALOD. We got the NALOD up here. And the LOD down below. We're right in between the LOD and the NALOD. All right, Bitcoin's pumping like a Janet Yellen in the wilderness. Laundry basket full of laundry, dirty laundry. We did see some bearish divergences here. Lips were getting lower. All right. Now, this woman, you need to learn from her because somehow she knows how to take no money and still have billions of dollars, trillions of dollars to spend. Right? She's the accountant for the United States, and I need to learn from her. How can you have no money but still have plenty of money to spend? I need to learn this. All right, what do? Do you steal from people and just create new money? I need to learn how to do this. All right, we're pumping up to the Nalad, baby. We're up over $6,000 in profits, almost $7,000 in profits. I guess we are up $7,000 in profit right now, baby. All right. Plus, we're up. Okay, let's see how much. If I close everything right now, I can get 4.8. So we'll just call that. We'll call 5K plus 19K. It's 24K. All right. So we got 5K plus 19K. Should I close? All right. We're up 24K. Plus another 10, 34, almost $35,000. Should I close? Or should I hodl, guys? Because we're in the middle of a massive bull market, if you didn't know. Bitcoin's going to $500, $600. Wait a second, that's not bullish, is it? Well, dang. Well, dang. All right. Well, dang. How do I feel about Turbo? Look, it's kind of bullish, right? People say it's bullish. All right, Jezebel says don't close. All right, if there's one thing I've learned from reading my Bible, you should always listen to somebody named Jezebel. Wait a second, that's not right either. Crap! Bitcoin's going to $600 and Jezebel says not to close. You know what? All right, so Michael Clark says close. All right, depends, says Mike Norris. He says it depends. All right, should we close? Well, it depends, guys. It really does. Look, here's what I'm thinking, okay? As long as we hold above the LOD, right here, as long as we hold above the LOD, then I'm not going to close. If we lose the LOD, yeah, I'm going to shave out some profits a little bit earlier if we hold above the LOD. All right. Crypto Jeb, Crypto Jeb is a real financial advisor. Bro, what do you think? Should I close? Keep open. All right, I need some help. Close and get more backup treadmills. True, I only have one more backup treadmill. How do you feel about Turbo the movie? I'll be honest, I've never even heard of Turbo the movie. I don't even know what that is. Take 50%. Well, I've already taken out some profits on all of these positions. So, like, the worst case, if the worst case scenario happens right now, and all these trades get stopped out at their entries, 7, 8, 9, 11. In worst case scenario, I will have closed all these long trades with $21,000 of realized profits. Worst case. So, look, I think I'm justified in being a little bit more greedy here, as we're printing this purple doji candle. All right, let's check out how Market Cipher looks here. All right, here's the thing, guys. I'll tell you what makes me nervous right now. The thing that makes me nervous is the fact that, technically, if we lose the LOD, remember, the LOD is the level of decision. If we lose the LOD, we will then have bearish divergences, right? The upside-down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man breast pattern will be there on the 12-minute, which is no joke, all right? The 12-minute is a very trustworthy time frame. Look, oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh, guys. Look, Jezebel is speaking lies. Bitcoin apparently is going to $600. And again, we don't want to lose the LOD, baby. Come on, LOD. Please. You must hold, for my sake. All right. Let's go down to some lower time frames. We got Sam Bankman-Fried rearing his chest, bare-chested at the beach. Me and my wife saw somebody that literally looked like SBF the other day. when we were out and about. I couldn't believe it. All right, so the 1 minute money flow is even starting to tick down a tidbit. Let's check out our good old 5-second chart. Look, the 5-second chart did give us a short signal at this high, right? So we sang the pump song. Apparently, the pump song was just too much. Oh, man. Come on, Bitcoin. Please don't do this. But look, 5-second money flow coming down. 12-minute upside down Sam Bankman. 1 hour. Come on, 1 hour. See, we need this 1 hour to give us the push. All right, let's see here. Oh, no. All the longs that opened at the top have closed down. And now we just got the shorts. Oh, Bitcoin. Oh, no. Talk about an emotional roller coaster here, guys. Talk about an emotional, roller coaster. It's crazy, man. This is unspeakable. Sheesh, man. Man, come on, it's a Wednesday too. We gotta take those highs. We gotta. I refuse to let this happen. Come on, Bitcoin. Not good, man. Not good. We're coming down to the level. We'll go to the 1 second time frame here. How's she gonna act at the level? Is she gonna hold? Oh! Come on, Lod. Come on. Level of decision right here. Not looking the best. The 1 second purple candles falling to the downside. Look at the 30-minute time frame, guys. Look at the 1 hour. Oh my goodness. Imagine if this 1 hour candle closes purple. All our hopes and dreams will be shattered to smithereens, guys. Just a second ago, I was on my high horse. Now we're losing the level of decision. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. This is nuts. Sheesh, man. All right. It's a bull flag, says Michael Norris, LOL. Well, Michael Norris, we're gonna go with the Michael Norris strategy, because as Michael Norris comments, we're right now trying to get back above the LOD to the NALOD. Or is it LOD or load? It might be the load to the NALOD. NALOD. We're coming from the load to the NALOD up here. All right, it's a new language I just made up. NALOD means next level of decision. We're holding this. Got our 15-minute. We got a wick to the downside holding as support. Hopefully the bears are about to get hort. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. We got this. We got this. Come on, 1 hour. Come on, 5 minute. 5 minute red dot, but money flow getting thick. All right, can we get another little bit of a green? If you know what I mean. All my hopes and dreams. All right, shout out to my man, who says like the video. And shout out to Crypto Jeb. He's got to head out. Thanks for being here, my bro. Appreciate you. Retesting the monthly, says Splashfire Films. All right. Man, Jeremiah Redden says nuke it to 52K. That would be insane if we nuked it to 52K, man. That would be absolutely crazy and insane if we nuked to 52K. That would be crazy and insane. Here we go, baby. We're getting a little bit of a bounce back. A little bit of a bounce back here. That's what I like to see. Give us a freestyle. I don't know if I'm in the mood for a freestyle. Let me see what I got. All right, let's see if a good beat comes on. Then maybe we could do a freestyle. So listen. This is not a good beat. See if there's any good beats on here. Nah, I don't know. I'm not in the mood for a freestyle. All right. Shout out to Greg H. He says 73-100 or bust. That's what I'm talking about, man. Let's do it. All right, if Bitcoin ever hits 52,000, I'm selling all my silver for Bitcoin. That's crazy, bro. I will never sell all my silver for Bitcoin. I'm all about stacking the precious metals, but I mean, seriously. We already sang the pump song, Lewis. That's how we actually... The pump song is actually what gave us this level up here, all right? The pump song is what gave us this level up here. But look, we're in between two key levels. Overall, the higher term time frames, I still am feeling bullish, all right? I still am feeling bullish on the higher term time frames. Yeah, shout out to Mike Jordan Santos coming in with a word of wisdom. The load song. Yeah, we'll have to get the load song. Did we analyze the Bible yet? Nope, we didn't yet, Crypto Poppy. No. We got a $1 4-hour bull div. Oh my goodness, we need to check this out. This is not good if we've really got a 4-hour bull div on the dollar. I cannot even... Is that true? We got a 4-hour bull div on the dollar? Let's check that out. Let's quick check that out. The DXY, baby. Yeah, we do. We do. Let's check out the daily on the dollar. We're gonna check out the D on the D, baby. Even on the daily, we got a really bullish divergence on the daily. Yeah, I mean, look, historically speaking, the dollar has put in a double top before Bitcoin really starts that all-time high. I mean, starts the big run up to the all-time high. All right, who else we got in the chat? We got a monthly bear div on Bitcoin. Yeah, it is concerning. It really is concerning. But if we're gonna dump, did my short hit stop loss? Yes, I was in a hedge short and it did hit the stop loss. It did hit the stop loss. It hit the stop loss for a $1,800 loss. And I was in a hedge short trade, willing to pay a fee, because if the top was in, well, I'm $30,000 in unrealized profit, and we're at resistance, so I hedged myself. And so I lost $1,800, so I could ensure that I wasn't going to lose $30,000. So that's why I did that. But yeah, that's been stopped out. So I'm in zero shorts, not even a hedge right now. So come on, Bitcoin. Let's pump, baby. Crap, I just said I'm in zero shorts. So now the market's going to dump on me. Shout out to Dave Digital. Shout out to Dave Digital in the house, baby. Uh-oh, head and shoulders on the Uno minute. Oh, no, head and shoulders on the 1 minute, baby. All right, so open interest squeezing down, but the CVD also looks bearish. Let's zoom in here to a trend reversal chart. Okay. All right, I don't know. Man, Bitcoin, please don't dump on me. After all we've been through. After all we've been through. Bitcoin, please. After all we've been through. Why not short now? I don't have an entry to short right now. I don't have an entry to short right now unless we lose this level. unless we lose this level. But yeah, I guess you could short now. Stop loss above this. That would be a low risk kind of deal. That would be a low risk kind of deal. But I like to wait for something like a golden pocket or something, you know, something. But yeah. Bitcoin with the dandruff, baby. Head and shoulders. Jazz me pumping, baby. Omar K, I'm waiting for Brett, Myra, Arrow, Andy, Bird Dog, and Prime to get rich. Honestly, my man, those are probably some pretty good coins to be holding to get rich. Seriously. Those are some pretty good coins to hold to get rich. Well, man, Bitcoin, unfortunately, guys, is just... you know, all right. Let's see here. Oh man. Okay, so we've got 9 minute bear divs and 12 minute. I don't know. I really want to hold above this green line, guys, and if we don't, I am going to shave some profits out just because of this trade particularly, because this trade I should shave some profits out. You know what I'm saying? I should shave some profits out. I should shave some profits out here. I should shave them. I've already been shaving a little bit of profits. I should shave a little bit more. What do I think about Nvidia? I don't even know. I don't know, Daniel. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? It only goes up? That seems to be the case. Tell Gareth to chill out on the short. Don't short, says preparing for more. You're trading with lots of emotion, says Ludicio. Actually, I'm not trading with lots of emotion. I'm not trading, actually. I'm literally not trading. I'm just here in trades. Being very emotional, all right? It's okay to be emotional as long as you're not hitting the buy and sell button in your emotions. But here's the thing. I hit the buy and sell button based on my dang plans, baby. All right? Not based on emotions. You got to let the emotions play out, baby. We're emotional beings. You know what I'm saying? We're emotional beings. Plus, this is YouTube. We're here to be sensational. All right? We're here to pump the Bitcoin to 100K or dump it back down to 600. There's no such thing as a sideways range on YouTube, baby. And the 1 minute chart is the most important chart in the world on YouTube live streams, baby. Do you know why? I'll tell you why. The reason why is because on YouTube, when Bitcoin is ranging like it is, where for the past few months we have done literally nothing, you gotta make not exciting things exciting, man. That's the only way to do it. Views are down, everything's down. Only the sensational, entertaining channels will survive. All right, the other ones fade into obscurity, and once people stop watching your channel, guess what? YouTube doesn't recommend your channel anymore. It's a catch-22. Right? YouTube only recommends your channel if people watch your channel. And people only watch your channel if YouTube recommends your channel. So we gotta be hyped and emotional. The 1 minute time frame. This is the make it or break it level. The level of decision, baby. But look, in all reality, this is the level of decision. Right? In all reality, and on a 1 minute chart, this is the level of decision. Today, in the next few hours, if Bitcoin loses this level, we're gonna dump. Right? The next major level of decision, the Nelod. The next level decision, Nilod, is up here. All right. Now, guys, if you did want to hedge yourself in a short, this is the place. If you think we're dumping, we just are coming into the local GP and 786. All right. But let's check out market Cipher here. Come on, 12 minute. Let's go to our 1 minute. How's 1 minute money flow after bouncing from this level? Because remember, we have come down to test the level of decision here, getting a bounce from it. So this so far is good. We don't want to lose the level. All right, we don't want to lose the level. Excuse me. You know, I don't know how I feel about this. I can't tell. I really can't tell what's going to happen right now. I will be totally honest with you guys. I do not know how I feel about this. I cannot tell. I have I don't have good indications of one way or another here. We had a lot of longs close out on this last candle. We still have a lot of shorts that are underwater. we still have quite a few shorts that are underwater. You know, about 5 million underwater shorts here. So we could still see a squeeze based on these underwater shorts, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Watch for the fake out. Well, we got our node at 72,089. That's the level of the next fake out, all right? All right, that's the level of the next fake out. Shout out to Crypto Pump It in the chat. All right. All right, shout out to Omar K. May God bless you. Shout out to Trader Geo. Bro. Yeah, Bitcoin's dumping on the channels. Everybody go subscribe to Trader Geo. Yo, Trader Geo, my man. Bro. Do you want to pop in for a second? Maybe offer some commentary on what you think is going to happen? Trader Geo. In the house, baby. Where's the plunger? We got the plunger right here, baby. We got the plunger. We got the Pikachu hat. All right, we're ready to go. Uh-oh. Arash Tech says it's going to dump. Yeah. It might. It might. Look, here's the reality of it. If this is the high, like trading is if-then scenarios. If this is the high, because we've locally made a lower low on the 1 minute, if that's the high, this is our lower high, right? If the high is in already, based on this 1 minute chart, this is where we're going to make the lower high, all right? So if we're going to dump, this is the place. But I feel like we could get a little bit more. I feel like we could get a little bit more. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. All right. All right. Shout out to Trader Geo. All right, bro. We'll get Trader Geo in the house. All right. I'm going to message you on Discord, bro. I'm going to message you on Discord. All right. If anybody's not following Trader Geo, you're missing out. All right. The dude's a really good trader. He's not only a good trader, but he's a funny guy, a high energy kind of guy. All right. I really like him, and I feel like Trader Geo, his channel needs to be bigger than it is. All right. It really does. All right. Everybody go subscribe to Trader Geo. All right. Dude's got 8,000 subs. Let's pump him up to 10K. All right. Bitcoin's going to pump to 100K. Trader Geo's going to pump to 10K before Bitcoin pumps to 79K. All right. What after the supposed all-time high? Honestly, the daily laws, I feel like we could get a nice pullback after we take the all-time high. All right. That's kind of what I'm thinking. How's the kid doing, man? He's just thriving. Dude is jacked. My son looks like Eddie Hall. All right. My son looks like Eddie Hall. Dude is like power lifter, straight power lifter. All right. Could probably deadlift 1,000 pounds right now. Dude is so massive. I'm not even kidding. His deltoid's popping. All right, but big old sumo wrestler belly, man. This kid is in like the 99th percentile of bigness. All right. All right, here we go. We're getting a little pullback from that golden pocket. So this really is now going to shed a lot of light on what happens. Because look, as long as we hold, and as long as we can make this rounded-ish bottom here, that's good. If we can't, and we make the lower low, low tove. All right. I can't show a pic design aspects, man. Maybe I'll get a pic with his face edited out. All right, but all right, I'm gonna give Trader Geo a call up in here. See if we can. See if we can get Trader Geo up in the house, all right? Yo.
Yo. Hello, can you hear me?
Okay, let me see if I can get you I can see you talking, but I can't hear you. I gotta
No worries.
change some things here, alright? Gotta change some things
no
with my
worries.
audio real quick. Alright, yo. Can you hear me, bro?
Yo, yes, sir. What's up?
What's going on, Trader Geo?
How are you, man?
Well, I'm doing alright, man. I'm a little bit nervous here in a long, Bitcoin's getting a little bit of a dump.
Yeah.
So,
How sorry, go on.
I need a professional, bro. I need someone like you to come in and tell me what to do.
You want me to tell you 100x long or short right now?
I am in 100x long right now,
Well,
cross leverage.
Man, you know what? This price action is crazy though. I don't
Yeah.
know, dude. I don't know. Like, this range in general has been hard. It's been hard. For the structure traders, it's been up and down. For the market cipher traders, it's been up and down. Like, I don't really know. Right now, I got my eye on that high that we put in May. What was the date? May 20th. That 72.1. I got my eye on there. I think we got enough gas to maybe take that high.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
That's
nice my next level,
drinking
bro.
water. Yeah, get a nice CDW of that high.
Yeah, CDW, baby.
I think we might hit that, but beyond that, man, like, at some point we're gonna have to break this massive range we've been in. So I don't know, bro. Market cipher on the higher term time frames are talking 74. They're saying new highs. The 3-day looks
bullish.
Really nice for new highs. Yeah, man.
Yeah, baby.
Looks really nice. And, as a trader, like, I don't really care, but because we're so close to the high now, like, I'm so over this range. Like, just break it. Just break out. I'm sick of the 70s. I'm sick of the 60s. Like, give me either 80 or 40, man. Like, that's where I'm at.
That's true. I'm sick of the 70s. I'm sick of the 60s. Yeah. Let's get to the 80s, man. Some nice.
Yeah, let's go 80s, dance around there for a little bit, and then go from there. But that's kind of where I'm at right now.
Yeah, man. It's been a wild few months, man. Like, not much action here. I've taken, I think, 5 trades. No, I took 4 trades throughout all of May.
Oh wow, that's crazy. Yeah. I mean, I'm over it, bro. I thought we were gonna come a little bit lower, to be honest. I thought we were gonna come and tap like 53. I was really hoping for 53. So I'm not really satisfied with how low we came, but I mean, that's the game.
I was waiting for lower, but it reminds me a lot of what happened back in January.
Yeah.
Right? Everyone was waiting. I mean, I was waiting for lower back in January. I was waiting for us to retest like 30K or at least like 33. But we got that fake out at like 38K. And same deal with what happened in the beginning of May. Like, I was thinking low 50s, high 40s, but we just dipped down to 56. Nice fake out, hitting bull divs, and BAM!
Yeah, man. January really got me as well. Like, I mean, coming down to the 30K, like just the price action alone from 33 up till 38, and then when we pumped to 50, fine. But like that kind of like, we had really ugly structure. Basically between like in all of October, like October and November was like just really ugly structure. It was just kind of that like slowly grinding up, easy liquidity to grab. And so, yeah, that 38 like really tripped me up. And, daily structure flipped bearish, and then it just went bam. It just went bullish right after, like, so it's been hard, but I mean, it's been fun. It's been a journey, and what else can we, that's the game, baby. That's the game.
That's how it is. Yeah, man.
That's the game. How has everything else been though, untrading related?
Great, bro. Just making babies, planting gardens.
Yeah. I actually, because the views and everything is down, I started getting older video recommendations of yours, and I was going, I don't know, I was just like going down the rabbit hole, and I saw one of your videos on just how to become a more self proficient like person in general. And I started actually looking into planting my own potatoes. Like, I have never done gardening ever. And you really, like, a video from a year ago, you got me thinking, like, man, you could make 12 potatoes from one little piece. Like, yo, count me in on that.
I know, bro. Just don't eat them green. Don't eat green potatoes. Make sure they're buried. You don't want to eat green potatoes.
Yeah,
They'll
I'll have
poison
to
you.
do a little bit more research. But I definitely don't want to get poisoned.
Yeah.
Definitely not that.
Yeah, bro. Potatoes, chickens, squash, vegetables. Bro, right now, the
Yeah.
strawberries are coming out like crazy. I love them. Strawberries are so good.
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking into it because, like, man, things are so expensive here, and being in Toronto, I mean, it's bad everywhere, but I just find like prices are just wild, really everywhere. So I figured, why not? I'm home anyway. I'm trading, so
Exactly,
why
bro.
not touch grass, like they say? So
Yeah. It's part of the self-sufficient lifestyle, bro. Being a trader, growing your own food. Like right now, I've got like 0.3 acres that I'm actively gardening. And I've got like 40 chickens. I've got like 25 fruit trees, tons of berries. I got enough. I could rough it, bro. I've got a well
yeah.
pump, a hand pump. I could pump my water by hand. I'm fully off grid. I'm on solar. It's legit.
Man, that's the way to be, bro. Like, a part of the best thing about well, not the best, but one of the best things about being a trader and like being able to generate your own income is, at least in my experience, like I've been working so that nobody could tell me what to do. Nobody could tell me where to go, during 2020, like, no one can say travel here or don't travel here, or wear a mask or don't wear a mask, or in this case, pay this much for berries or not berries. And so that's a big thing for me, to not be able to have to really answer to anybody and just do whatever I want. That's like a very big reason why I was very intrigued in this kind of lifestyle as a whole.
Me too, bro. I mean, I've been into that for a while. Even before I was trading, I always wanted to like live it not off grid, right? Like not straight up like Luddite, but be as self sufficient as I possibly can. It's the way that humans were created to be. It's very unnatural to like have a supply chain where you go to the store and you get fruit and meat from you don't even know where.
Oh yeah,
You have no idea.
100%. They advertise it as organic or whatever, and it's from the exact same batch as everything else. It's all a lie, man. It's all a lie.
Bro, it is, man. Because what's so funny is, when you grow your own fruit, it tastes so different, so much better. Like, there's nothing more refreshing. If you're thirsty, you go outside on a hot day, you pick a strawberry, fresh from the vine. There's something about it that you cannot get that taste and that feel from a store-bought strawberry, even if it's organic. You just can't get it.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, man, the organic thing,
It's fake.
it's marketing. It's all it is it's marketing.
It's just they have organic pesticides and stuff they put on it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's marketing. But yeah, I mean, I was thinking about it really. Like, I mean, I'm not a huge gardener. I know what actually got you into doing that. Did you Google it? Did you go down your own rabbit hole and just say, hey, I think I'm gonna try this?
Well, I've always been a bit of a conspiratorial-minded kind of guy.
Okay, yeah, I'm the same.
Once I learned about the Federal Reserve and the dollar and how the whole system's just a giant Ponzi meant to screw you.
Yeah, how money is not real.
Yeah, I'm like, all right, maybe I should like get a little bit more prepared. Maybe I should like stock up on some stuff, stack some precious metals, keep rice and beans. Then I'm like, wait a second, that stuff's not really gonna help because you can't eat precious metals and your rice and beans will run out. And I just figured, look, I don't want to be dependent on anybody for my food, for my water, and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's the way to be, man. Don't be dependent on anybody for
except
food,
for
for
God Almighty.
wages. Oh yeah, I'm with you on that.
You know. But
I'm
shout
with
out
you
to
on
Chip
that.
Chocolate real quick, because Chip Chocolate says, here's the plan for Bitcoin. In order to break the all-time high, it must spend some time and build volume above 71K. Overall, still bullish, baby! And 64K is where he changed his bullish bias. But yeah, bro, I just feel like God created man, and he put them in the garden. That was our first job before everything went wrong. So
Yeah, before the whole universe is doomed, or has it seems like it anyway.
yeah, but go out there, man. You will feel closer to God out there on the land. It
No, I
really
don't
puts into
doubt it, man.
perspective where everything comes from that we need to survive. Like it comes from the ground. Whether or not it's
Yeah.
you're doing it or the store's doing it.
Yeah, no, for sure. For sure. Will Geo sing for us? Not today, guys. Not today.
I wish we could hook it up in a way where you could hear the audio and everything would be in sync.
I know. These guys. Yeah, I just got the Palau ID, Eric. I didn't come in yet. Jay, you got your Palau thing, right?
Yeah, I'm trading on ByBit right now.
Oh, nice. Back to ByBit.
Yeah, bro, I'm on ByBit. Oh, I mean, I'm on everything, you know.
Man, for me, MEXC is still the GOAT.
I mean, I love MEXC. Don't get me wrong. They're going KYC this month.
Yeah.
The reason I love ByBit is because those levels, bro. Like we're
Oh, yeah.
yeah. All right. The real Pharaoh says Jason is giving Kramer vibes. You mean Jim Cramer? You think Bitcoin's about to dump because I'm bullish? Man, I hope not. I hope not.
If we don't come and touch the 72, 132, like I'm gonna get mad, man. Because lately in this very what is hard for me, I'm gonna say, like, this has not been an easy range for me, at least.
It's been tough.
They are front running everything.
I know.
And man, like you know what? The emotions that come with trading are like the biggest kind of, I guess, like monster under the bed for most people. Like that's what they fight, right? Is the emotions. But when I'm so close to a level and I'm like, dude, they didn't hit it. I should have just pulled the trigger and I didn't. Like that's the worst, man. That's the worst thing for me. I hate it. I get so mad. Like, and I try not to be, but man, don't front run. Like just do what makes sense in my head and that's it.
I know, bro. This entire range, like I was planning to enter into like a $600,000 position at that macro golden pocket that we front ran by a little bit.
Yeah.
I took the CDW with like a small position. So this whole time up, I wanted to be more exposed than I am. I wanted to be just full frontal exposed, bro, on the highway. But instead, I've got a sweatshirt on. So
how
it is what it is.
How have you found the range though? Like you said, you took 5 trades in May. Is that because it's been hard, or just because you haven't seen what you wanted to see, or you're busy with the kids?
Yeah, it's been a combination of all those things, bro. I mean, it's the summer. I'm working hard outside. I just had a kid. The first half of 2024 has literally been my most profitable few months of trading ever. Like insane profits.
Yeah.
So I'm just not feeling like pressure to like trade very much, But even still, like the major trades that I've seen here really have only been like, around 60,300 when we got that little CDW. And when we came down on like the end of May to hit that 67 retest, other than that, I haven't really seen anything that got me excited, bro,
Yeah.
And I've been not trading, like, no joke. I only even look at the chart every other day now. Like, I only look at the chart like 3 days a week.
Sometimes, man, like it's just so much better to do that. I mean, if you go to the 1 hour, if you go to the 1 hour and go look at Friday and Saturday's 1 hour, like that is the tightest range that I think I've ever seen in my life. And I was sitting in front of the computer. You know how it is, man. You're sitting in front, you're trying to hit that 5-second scalping strategy, and you know, I'm like you can't get anything to work with. And then when you're gone, the moment, at least for me, man, the moment I'm gone, that's when bang, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. I feel like the Lord's had favor on me because whenever I'm at the chart, I've been able to get a few trades here and there. So
Dang, bro, you got to start texting me when you're about to get to the chart so I can get there too, and I'll work on my potatoes.
yeah, bro, yeah. Everyone should grow potatoes. Look, if you're in the chat, if you have grass, you got to grow potatoes. All right. If everyone just had a few chickens, grew a few potatoes, had a little garden, everyone in your neighborhood, even if you're in an apartment, I used to grow potatoes on an apartment balcony. No joke. Food sovereignty, baby. That's the way to do it.
This guy is boring. We need the pump song. They want the pump song.
Man, you know, Trader Geo's the only other guy who's done the pump song as well. All right. Dude has actually sang the pump song on his own YouTube channel. All right, make sure to go subscribe to Trader Geo. He's one of the least boring YouTubers in the space. He's more entertaining than me.
Guys, right? I lose my voice every single day. Like every day after. I need a whole sponsorship, man.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah, I lose it all the time. It's rough.
Well, bro, I was really hoping that this live stream was going to be a juicy one for the YouTube algos, but we've just been doing nothing this whole time.
You know what? I think things are going to start rolling up again soon. You know, like I've been watching. I've been keeping my eye on Google Trends, yeah. and just the search volume of Bitcoin in general. And things have been down, obviously, because Bitcoin's been doing nothing. But as we know, people will FOMO as the price starts moving. And now that we're moving, people will come in. And not even just that. Like, I think an altcoin season is coming. You know, keeping our eye on dominance. And so that's really going to get attention around. So I think in general, you know, the algos are going to be algoing again relatively soon. But I didn't know that everyone else's views were down. I thought it was just mine, but I guess it's everybody's.
Yeah, it seems like a lot of people's views are down. I mean, mine are down because I've stopped streaming and stopped trading, and but yeah. All right, Duncan says things are gonna go nuts in 2 weeks. Man, I hope so. That would be cool. But yeah, bro, you have anything else to any other juicy info to share?
No, man, just doing what I'm doing. Nothing really else. Just out here losing my voice every day.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
Where can people find you, Trader Geo?
I'm everywhere, man. I'm on YouTube. I'm like a little chihuahua on Twitter lately. I just go off on Twitter, so don't follow me there. But YouTube, you know, I'm in there doing my TA, doing my scalping, doing the whole thing, doing my singing. Not for everybody, but yeah,
it is for everybody.
It is for everybody. There you go. You heard it from the man, not me.
Yeah.
Jay, bro, right, I gotta get you on the channel too, real quick. Whenever you got time.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I don't know. I don't have much time lately, but
it's all good, man. No rush.
Yeah, if I'm ever around, maybe we'll just do an impromptu, you know?
Cool. Sounds good. Sounds good.
All right, bro. Take care, man.
All right, man. Appreciate you, Jay.
All right, peace. All right, guys. That was Trader Geo. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for Trader Geo. Trader Geo. All right. All right, so Zaid Al-Masri has juicy info. All right. Zaid, let's hear it. Let's hear it, man. I'm all ears. I'm all ears in the chat. I'm all ears. Isn't the chicken thirsty? Yeah, the chickens are thirsty. They haven't drunk nothing all day, so we need to pump it up to the nilod. To the nilod. All right, we're waiting for the juicy. Someone has juicy info. All right, we're waiting for it, bro. Come on. What's the juicy info? Come on. Call me Z. All right, Z. All right, Z. We need the juicy info, my man. All right. We need the juice. Is Bitcoin gonna pump? Give us the juice, baby. Shout out to Drumhop. Give us the juice. How long have I opened this trade? This trade has been open since Monday. All right, this is a trade I took it live during the NY Open live stream in the VIP Casper Crew Discord. All right, I'm gonna long this again. I'm long. So, been live, baby. Been live, been long. Shout out to Coindish. He says, we're reading Genesis with my 12-year-old son. Peace in Joseph, and we're reading Genesis 37 to 50. Joseph, pray for him. Sure. I'll pray for your son. Father, I do pray in Jesus' name that you would touch Coindish's son as he reads through the scriptures, that you would take hold of his life, and that you would set him apart for your purposes. What streaming software do I use? I use something called Ecamm Live. It's for Mac. I used to use Streamlabs, but I got a Mac update. You know how Mac sucks, right? You know how Mac, they're not compatible with anything else. I have a Nintendo 64 emulator that I used to play video games, Nintendo 64 games with my my daughter, and you'd think a Mac would be able to play a Nintendo 64 game, but mine can't because the software on it, right? So same deal with this Streamlabs. So I'm using Ecamm, all right? All right, Duncan says, you inspired me to get a treadmill for my desk. You do 15 miles a day after smashing the weights. That's what's up, man. Look, you guys want to be lean, you want to have energy, you want to feel good, get a walking desk. If you have any kind of desk job, get a walking desk, because, man, it's the ultimate cheat code for life, right? It's the ultimate cheat code for life. You know what I hate? I hate feeling hungry, all right? Now, I know I'm very blessed where I have food to eat. Not everyone has food to eat. But, look, the thing is, like, if I just sit all day, I have to eat very little, otherwise I get fat. But if you have a walking desk, you could just eat until you're satisfied, and you'll be, I mean, you're not going to be, like, shredded, but you'll have abs, you'll be lean, you'll be looking good. Better than most, all right? Man, this price action is so dang boring. Get an emulator, Jason. Look, I have the only emulator that works for Mac. It's called 60 Force, and it does not play certain games well. It's very glitchy. It does not play certain games well. It's very glitchy. Yeah. What's my long target? Well, my next take profit is actually 72,055. But then, look, I have a TP set over here on this trade for 74K, man. I'm shooting for it, baby. I'm shooting for it. All right, I'm shooting for it. Yeah, you remember N64? Yeah, I remember N64. When I was a kid, there was something very special when I first got Nintendo 64. It gave me a certain feeling that I can't duplicate of wonder and excitement. It was so cool. Being a kid is fun. The littlest things are so awesome. Uh-oh, Duncan needs to get ripped in 2 weeks. Well, it's a good thing you got that treadmill, bro. It's a good thing you got that treadmill to stay ripped. How long did it take for me to become a profitable trader? I'll be honest with you, it took me way too long because I didn't do the things I should have done. It took me about 3 years before I felt like, okay, I could do this, and over time, my account will grow instead of shrink. It took me about 3 years. The reason it took me so long is because I did not do the things that I knew I needed to do. Good risk management, sticking to clearly defined strategies, and then having the patience to only take trades according to my risk management and trading strategies, right? That's really it. Those things will mess you up. What's my biggest loss? My biggest single loss? I think it was like over 20K. I don't remember the exact number, but I do remember when it happened. And I remember I was lying on the floor, kind of almost crying to my wife about how much of a loser I was. She was very supportive at the time. That was actually a major change. This is a leverage trade I'm talking about, all right? A leverage trade. And at the time, that was a lot of capital for me because look, you know, I had not had the time to build up the capital. The capital I had was from the 2017 bull run on spot. Super Mario 64, I know. Joseph Gonzalez. Me and my daughter, we played through that whole game. You know? Then we played through Banjo-Kazooie. Yeah, it took me 3 years before I felt like I could do this right. So I started in 2000, like right around the time that Bitcoin entered into the bear market of 2018-ish. So like 2018, 2019, 2020, that was like my main learning time. Shout out to Big Butts 28. That's right, man. She's the most supportive wife in the world. Should we check the order book? Let's check the order flow. Yeah, I have to say the order flow to me does look kind of bullish, and here's why. All right, here's why. We have shorts and longs opening. Like it just looks pretty healthy. It doesn't look too dumpy. We don't have any bearish CVD divergences. We have a lot of shorts still open actually. We have this entire way up that we've been above VWAP. We have shorts opening and holding their position. So there is some fuel to squeeze to the upside here. Right? There is some fuel to squeeze to the upside. All right, Zaid, I'm sorry, Z. I don't want the juice. I must have missed your thing, bro. I must have missed your thing. I'm gonna search for it. Can you post it again, bro? I missed you. It's hard to see all the comments. All right, I'm sorry, man. My bad, Z. Remember 007? Yeah, of course I remember 007, man. That was the juice in and of itself. That was the juice. All right. Man, I was really hoping Bitcoin would get a big old pumperoni. Man, I was hoping, and we still might. We got a green dot in the 2 hours, says Rich and HH. Where can you get the order flow. There's two places you could find the order flow. One is ExoCharts. You have to pay. I like ExoCharts, but for free, you can use Coinalyze.net to see open interest in CBD. Coinalyze.net is also something that I enjoy, and this is free. All right, you just have to create an account. We just have to create an account. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to have to head out. I was hoping we'd get some big juicy price action, but apparently no. So may God bless everybody in Jesus' name. I don't take myself very seriously, but I do take my walk with the Lord very seriously, my relationship with Jesus very seriously, because only in Jesus is there hope for humanity as a whole and in the individual. You know, just understanding that although man is in a fallen, sinful state, God himself took on flesh to pay for the sins that we have committed by dying for us, and then he rose again on the third day. Not only are our sins paid for, but now we're justified, and if we put our faith in him, he will give us his Holy Spirit so we can become a new creation. Not an intellectual thing, but a spiritual new creation. And we also have the hope of a physical bodily resurrection where we will exist in the state that humanity was created to exist in. This is my hope that gets me out of bed every single morning. Praise God. Hope everyone has a great day. Hope the Bitcoin price pumps or does something. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.